So for Monday, it's a longer workout, 30 minutes, AMRAP 30 minutes, so as many rounds and reps as possible in 30 minutes. It's going to start with 5 times of a 10-meter shuttle. When you do the shuttle, if you don't know what 5 or 10 meters is, it's about 16 to 18 steps depending on your stride. So what I'm looking for is, you don't need to put out markers or anything, but get behind a starting spot. Just make sure you touch the line or a line. Do your shuttle, touch your line, touch your line. Just making sure you're opening up to one side and then opening up to another side. Remember, it's about 16 to 18 steps. If you got a longer stride, it's going to be about 16. If you got a shorter stride, it'll probably be more about 18. So play around with that. Once you're done with your 5 times, you'll do 10-meter shuttle. So 18 steps, that's 1 time. You'll do it 5 total times. Once you're done with that, then you're going to go into 10 hang, power, clean, and jerks. So you're going to deadlift the bar up, then you're going to go into the hang position, and then jerk overhead. You can, because the weight is light, I do want you to try to go for all 10 reps unbroken throughout the whole entire 30 minutes. So if you have to break this up, drop the weight down a little bit lower. So you can go from the high hang and then jerk overhead, or you can go from the top of the knees and then jerk overhead as well. If you don't have the PVC, same exact deal with the dumbbells. You can either go from the high hang and this one too. If you're doing body weight, this is going to be a combination of a few different moves to make 1 rep. So if you're doing body weight, it's going to go shoulder tap, mountain climber, up, down. That's all 1 rep. So one more time, shoulder tap, mountain climber, up, down. That's all 1 rep. Once you're done with your 10 total reps, you're going to go into 15 walking lunges. You can walk, you can stay static, however you guys want to do it. Once you're done with your 30 minutes, you're going to go into 3 rounds of knock for time, 45 seconds of a Pendlay row. Whatever you used for your weight for the hang, power, clean, jerk, regardless if it was dumbbells or your barbell. Barbells are touching the, plates are touching the floor. We're going to pull up. We're just pulling right to about chest height, right below the, or right in the middle of the ribs. So 45 seconds of Pendlay row, rest 15 seconds. Then we go into 45 seconds of light hammer curls, and then rest 15 seconds.